Since lahat no, yung nag-take nung membership ng affiliate sa ating travels, ang nangyari diyan is we give away the free Live Good platform membership and activation, which is normally syempre it's a business, great business actually, in fact no. Meron niyang subscription dun sa company no, at merong membership, pero kapatid ni pera, dahil sa pagiging generous namin no, to help you guys, lahat ng travel agent natin, hindi lang sa travels kumita, is naisip naming ikabit yung Live Good e-commerce platform. Kaya ang lagi nating binabanggit, two sort of business, which is literally yung sa travels natin, yung pagbebenta ng mga packages, travel airlines, packages sa tour, you know, yun ang ating main career business plug, no? And with our brilliant idea on how to add another earning, passive earning actually, no, sa ating mga members, agent, naisip ko to, no, itong idea na to ikabit dito sa business na to. And I will explain further later, clearly, with illustration kung ano yung ginawa namin dito sa two program na business na in-offer namin sa inyo.